Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog of Chemicars. Today I have something very special right there. I'm very lucky to have it next to me. It's very rare and I can't wait for you guys to see it. Bam! We got the Bugatti Chiron. It's a beautiful car. Take you a quick walk around it. It's very nice, and this is a very nice spec. The front is French Racing Blue, and the back over here is Atlantic Blue. It's very, very, very nice. 1500 horsepower, and I like it a lot. Especially that rear brake light right there. Very nice. Now, this is one of the first ones made. Probably one of the first ones on the streets in LA. And this one, usually when people buy it, it comes this part in chrome, but this one comes in black. And also, the headlights on this car are very, very, very cool. Now ready? That's the lock, and here's the unlock one. The lights come, and they go. Now also, this car has a very nice interior, and the Chiron light. We got black carpet, some blue seats, blue center console, carbon fiber everywhere on the door panels, on top of the glove box, also in the center console. I like how the silver's here, and steering wheel black and blue. And don't you guys all love that light coming in the middle? Then you can also get a view of the engine right back there. And from right here. It also has some diamond stitch seats. And then the lines. And this car has some beautiful noises and some great looks. Same for the driver's side. Here's your view. If you guys are wondering what that noise is, that's just because both doors are open. Now see, so stopped. Again, carbon fiber on the side skirts. Got the rear vents over here. Carbon fiber gas cap. Ceramic. This car is very nice. Hope you guys like it. Maybe I could get a ride in it, and you guys will see that later. I'm in the Bugatti, and we're ready to drive. There's my ride in the Bugatti. Hope you like the noises. guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in my next vid. Bye.